Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon for more videos.
Have to is an auxiliary verb phrase used to express obligation, necessity, or requirement. It's formed by combining the verb have with the infinitive form of another verb. Examples: obligation, I have to finish this report by tomorrow. Necessity, we have to be careful when crossing the street. Requirement, you have to wear a helmet when riding a motorcycle. Key points to remember: conjugation, have to is conjugated like a regular verb. Present tense, I have to, you have to, he/she/it has to, we have to, you have to, they have to. Past tense, I had to, you had to, he/she/it had to, we had to, you had to, they had to. Negative form, don't have to or doesn't have to is used to express that something is not necessary. Question form, do I have to? Or does he/she/it have to? Is used to ask if something is necessary.